Hi children, welcome to EduLunch. In the previous session, we learnt about the prose, that is love for animals. In this session, I will teach you the poem, that is the elephant. Okay children, can you see this board? Can you say some wild animals names? Tiger, lion, fox, leopard, gorilla, deer, elephant. Okay, these are the wild animals. Among these wild animals, which is the biggest animal? Can you guess? Oh, the elephant is the biggest animal. Okay children, today I will teach you the poem, that is the elephant. 5th class, first poem. Okay? Okay children, let me sing the song The Elephant. Okay? The elephant is big, the elephant is grey, the elephant walks for miles each day. His trunk is long and oh what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. The elephant is big, his ears are wide, his back is broad for all to ride. The elephant is big, he is kind too. He carries the children round the zoo, round the zoo. Okay children, now let me explain this poem. Are you seeing the elephant? How it looks? Oh, it is very big animal. Can you see this zoo? Among these animals, the elephant is very big. Are you seeing this picture? Okay, the elephant is very big and the color of the elephant is grey color. The elephant walks for miles each day. Each day, the elephant can walk for miles each day. So, it can walk. It can walk for miles. Daily, it can walks. And its trunk is very long. Are you seeing this trunk? Okay, its trunk is very long, and when it go to the mouth, when it want to eat, it will become just like a O, the alphabet O. It is looking very funny. When it comes out, it will come with a cake or bun. Never come without cake or bun. The elephant is very funny animal. And the elephant is very big and his ears are so wide. Can you see the elephant picture? Its ears are very wide and its back is very broad. It can take the children around the zoo. So, the elephant is not only the broad or not only the wild animal, it is very kind animal. It can take the children around the zoo. Okay children, are you enjoyed this poem? Now, look at this chart. Okay children, let me more about the elephant. The elephant is so big and the elephant color is grey color. Can you see this color? Okay, the elephant color is grey color and its trunk is long. And when it goes out in the forest, it can walk for miles each day. And the elephant is, its trunk is so long, when it comes out from the forest or the home, it will come with a bun or cake. And its back is so broad. Can you see the back of the elephant? Its back is so broad, it can take the children around the zoo. And the elephant's ears are so wide, it will protect the elephant. Whichever without go into the ear. So, it will protect the elephant. Okay. Are you seeing these parts of the elephant? Now let me more know about the elephant. The elephant has small eyes. The elephant has small eyes. The elephant has small tail. The elephant has small tail. The elephant has huge body. The body of the elephant is so huge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. The elephant has broad back. The elephant has broad back. The elephant has long trunk. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಭಾವಾರ್ಥ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆನೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಲುಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಇದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ಖಾಲಿ ಸೊಂಡಿಲಿಂದ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊಂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇದ್ರ ಬೆನ್ನು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದ್ರೆ ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅದು ಮೃಗಾಲಯದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತಿರುಗಾಡಿಸುವಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, children, are you understood this poem? Are you enjoyed this poem?